Trust is the foundation of any strong and healthy relationship. But how do you build it? In a world filled with distractions, misunderstandings, and broken promises, creating a bond rooted in trust can seem like an uphill battle. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of what makes trust so essential, and, more importantly, how you can cultivate it in your relationship step by step. Whether you're just starting out or looking to rebuild, this guide is your roadmap to a relationship where trust thrives. Trust is the invisible thread that binds two people together in a relationship. It's the assurance that your partner is there for you, that they have your back, and that they will stand by you no matter what. But trust doesn't come naturally or easily. It's something that must be earned, nurtured, and protected. In this guide, we'll explore the vital role trust plays in a relationship and provide you with practical steps to build and maintain it. By the end of this journey, you'll have the tools you need to create a relationship that is not only strong, but unbreakable. What is trust in a relationship? Trust in a relationship is more than just believing that your partner won't cheat or lie. It's the confidence you have in each other's honesty, integrity, and reliability. It's knowing that your partner will support you, keep your secrets, and respect your boundaries. Trust means feeling secure in your relationship, understanding that your partner values you and your connection, and being certain that they will stand by you through thick and thin. Why is trust important? Without trust, a relationship is built on shaky ground. When trust is absent, insecurity, doubt, and fear can take over, leading to misunderstandings, conflicts, and eventually, the breakdown of the relationship. Trust is the foundation upon which all other aspects of a healthy relationship are built, including communication, intimacy, and mutual respect. When trust is present, it creates an environment where both partners feel safe to express themselves, share their feelings, and be vulnerable. It allows for deeper connection and understanding, paving the way for a relationship that can withstand the tests of time. The foundations of trust. Before we dive into the steps of building trust, let's understand the core foundations that make trust possible. Honesty, being truthful in your words and actions. Reliability, consistently showing up and following through on promises. Transparency, being open about your thoughts, feelings, and intentions. Respect, valuing your partner's boundaries, opinions, and needs. Empathy, understanding and caring about your partner's emotions and experiences. These are the pillars that hold up the bridge of trust. Without them, trust cannot exist. Now let's explore how to strengthen these pillars in your relationship. Step 1. Communicate openly and honestly. Communication is the lifeblood of any relationship. To build trust, you need to communicate openly and honestly with your partner. This means sharing your thoughts, feelings, and concerns without holding back or sugarcoating the truth. Make it a habit to have regular, honest conversations with your partner. Set aside time each week to talk about how you're feeling, what's been on your mind, and any issues that may have arisen. Encourage your partner to do the same. Start a weekly trust check-in where both of you can share your thoughts and feelings in a safe, non-judgmental space. This will help you stay connected and address any issues before they escalate. Step 2. Be consistent and reliable. Trust is built over time through consistent and reliable behavior. When you consistently show up for your partner and follow through on your promises, you demonstrate that you are someone they can count on. Avoid making promises you can't keep. It's better to under-promise and over-deliver than to break a commitment. Create a list of commitments you've made to your partner and make a conscious effort to follow through on each one. This could be as simple as remembering to call when you say you will, or as significant as supporting them during a challenging time. Step 3. Show empathy and understanding. Empathy is the ability to put yourself in your partner's shoes and understand their emotions and experiences. When you show empathy, you validate your partner's feelings and let them know that they are seen, heard, and valued. Practice active listening. When your partner is speaking, focus on their words, emotions, and body language. Respond with empathy by acknowledging their feelings and offering support. The next time your partner shares something with you, pause before responding. Take a moment to consider how they might be feeling and respond with empathy. For example, if they're upset about something at work, you might say, "I can see how that would be really frustrating. I'm here for you." Step 4. Be transparent and open. Transparency involves being open about your thoughts, feelings, and intentions. It means sharing your inner world with your partner and not keeping secrets. Be transparent about your expectations, boundaries, and concerns. Don't assume your partner can read your mind. Open up about what's important to you and encourage your partner to do the same. Write down any concerns or thoughts you've been holding back and share them with your partner during your next conversation. This could be about your future together, your feelings on a specific issue, or something that's been bothering you. Step 5. Respect boundaries. Respecting your partner's boundaries is crucial for building trust. It shows that you value their autonomy and are willing to honor their needs and limits. Have an open discussion about boundaries in your relationship. What are your partner's limits when it comes to personal space, communication, or decision-making? Respect these boundaries and ask your partner to respect yours. Identify one area where you can better respect your partner's boundaries. This could be giving them more space when they need it, or being mindful of how you communicate during disagreements. Make a conscious effort to honor this boundary. Step 6. Apologize and forgive. No one is perfect, and mistakes will happen in any relationship. What's important is how you handle these mistakes. Apologizing sincerely when you've done something wrong and being willing to forgive your partner when they've made a mistake is key to maintaining trust. When you apologize, be specific about what you're apologizing for and express genuine remorse. Avoid making excuses or shifting blame. Think about a recent conflict or issue in your relationship. If you made a mistake, take the time to apologize sincerely. If your partner made a mistake, consider offering forgiveness and moving forward together. Step 7. Build emotional intimacy. Emotional intimacy is the deep connection that comes from sharing your true self with your partner. It's built through vulnerability, trust, and mutual understanding. Share your hopes, dreams, fears, and insecurities with your partner. The more you open up, the more your partner will feel comfortable doing the same. Set aside time each week for an emotional intimacy session where you both share something personal and meaningful. This could be a memory, a fear, or a dream for the future. The goal is to deepen your connection by being vulnerable with each other. Step 8. Practice patience and understanding. Building trust takes time, and it requires patience and understanding from both partners. There will be moments of doubt, fear, and uncertainty, but it's important to stay committed to the process. Recognize that building trust is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and your partner, especially during difficult times. The next time you feel frustrated or impatient with your partner, take a deep breath and remind yourself that trust building takes time. Approach the situation with understanding and compassion. Step 9. Celebrate small wins. As you work on building trust, it's important to celebrate the small wins along the way. Acknowledge the progress you've made and the positive changes in your relationship. Take time to recognize and appreciate the moments when trust has been strengthened in your relationship. This could be as simple as thanking your partner for being honest with you or celebrating a milestone in your journey together. At the end of each week, reflect on one positive thing that happened in your relationship related to trust. Share this with your partner and celebrate the progress together. Step 10. Stay committed. Building trust is not a one-time effort. It's an ongoing commitment. It requires consistent effort, communication, and a willingness to grow together as a couple. Make a long-term commitment to building and maintaining trust in your relationship. This means continuing to practice honesty, reliability, transparency, respect, and empathy every day. Write a trust commitment with your partner, outlining the steps you both agree to take to build and maintain trust. Revisit this commitment regularly to ensure you're both on the same page. How to take action and build a stronger relationship. Building trust in a relationship is a powerful and transformative process. It requires dedication, effort, and a willingness to be vulnerable. But the rewards are immeasurable. A relationship built on trust is one where both partners feel secure, valued, and deeply connected. Not something that happens overnight. It's something you build together, day by day, moment by moment. So start today. Take that first step toward building trust in your relationship. Communicate openly, show empathy, respect boundaries, and stay committed. Your relationship is worth the effort, And the trust you build will be the foundation of a love that lasts a lifetime. Thank you for watching, and remember, trust is the key to a happy, healthy, and lasting relationship. Make it a priority, and you'll create a bond that stands the test of time.